Hello guys, welcome back to this works. Let's solve today's POTD. So today's POTD is the second second version of this problem, yesterday's problem. That was Stickler thief 1 and this is 2. So we are given array which represent houses arranged in circle. Last time it is arranged in a line. Like the last time it was like this and now it was like this. And the same question like we have to get the maximize money, but we cannot take money from two adjacent house. Okay. So now the problem is suppose this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4. If we take from 1, it won't affect the 4. One will not affect the 4. But here in this case, if we take from 1, we cannot take from 6 because these are two are adjacent also. So this is the major change in this problem. Okay. So what we are gonna do, let's so I'm again explaining the yesterday's problem, how we solve that problem. And basic idea. I won't solve this properly because you can check the solution on my channel. Okay. So what we have did is like suppose this was the array and we defined dp state dp of I, that is dp of I is maximum money we can get, maximum money we can get if we are at ith position, we can get from ith position, you say from ith position. And what it will depend on, there are two cases, take ith and don't take ith. So if we take ith, then what will be, we cannot take I minus 1 if we are at here, this is I. So if we take this, we cannot take this. So what will the what will the amount of money we will get, ARR of I plus dp of I minus 2. We are going from this way. Okay. Suppose we are going this way. So if we take this I, we cannot take this I minus 1. So we will now we will start from here. Like what is the maximum we can get from I minus 2. Okay. Got it? Because we cannot take this. And if we don't take, if we know we are not taking this, then we have option like whether we can write, we can take this now. If we don't take I, we can take I minus, we can take I minus 1. So answer will be dp of I minus 1. So dp of I, maximum amount of money will be nothing but maximum of this and this. And for as I mentioned in the last video, like if I depends on I, dp of I depends on I minus 1 and I minus 2. So I depends on I minus 1 and I minus 2. So we should travel for we should write loop this way, because whenever we reach I, we have the value of I minus 1 and I minus 2. That's why we should iterate through this. So we can write the code accordingly. Okay. But okay, let me share the code of yesterday also. Okay. Here I can get, okay, here I have the code. So you say here like we are looping with this way 1 to n and we are adding dp of I minus 1, because if it is not greater than equal to 1, and if it is greater equal to, then we can write like this is the two cases like I have mentioned once, dp of I minus 1 and this is AR of I plus I minus 2. Okay, this is the case. And now what we will do here in this case, in circle case, we will, these are the circles this way. So we will simply take we will write two codes, two parts. First, taking the first. If we take the first one, if we are taking the first, taking first, and second is not taking. So the basic idea, if you are taking the first, you anyways you cannot take this last one. So you assume this is the only array that we have. Like we have the array element from 1, 0, 1 to n minus 1. Okay, and you always take the first element. Okay, this is the case. And second case is like you, it's not that you are taking, like you can take this first. Okay. Okay, let's make sure again. Okay. So suppose you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you cannot take 1 and 6 together. The major issue. So what we will do, we will to create two arrays. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now do the same thing in the like the last problem for these two array, because anyways there are no 5 and though there is no 1 and 6 together, so we don't need to handle this case. Okay, because they get answer from here, get answer from here, and maximize that. Here the same problem, like you are given this houses in the sequence and you cannot select two adjacents, so that's why you cannot take two houses together. So we have a problem at 1 and 6, and now as we have we divide it into two array, 1 to 5 and 2 to 6. There are no 1s and 6 together, so this way we can solve the problem. Okay, thank you. You can check the code here. This is the same code I have written here. See, if you see here, let's take the first, like it's 0 to n minus 1, 0 to n minus 1 we are going. Okay, and the second is not taking the first. So that's why if you are not take the first, it's initialize with 0, and again we are started with, we are going 1 to n. Okay, you see we are going 1 to, so this way. And dp of I is 0, we are, because we are, as we are not select taking the this first one, like the maximum amount we can get at 0 is 0. So you can solve this way. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel if you find the video useful. Thank you.